Hi folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Data Version. Today we have a great opportunity for all you people. Galaxy Weblink out a job notification for the data analyst. So before we move into the job roles and responsibility, first discuss regarding the company itself. So Galaxy Weblink is a US-based software development company that provides web, mobile app development, customer software solution, digital marketing services. So it has clients from all over the world. So to apply for this job, one must have experience in web analytics and knowledge of the digital ecosystem. Means if you have worked in the as a data analyst in any e-commerce or digital ecosystem, you can apply for that. Good understanding of web analytics tool like Google Analytics, expertise in implementation of Google Tag Manager, ability to analyze data, must proficient in JavaScript. So it is not for fresher. It is desiring for the experience from 1 to 2 years. So if you have 1 to 2 years of experience in the data analytics in the field of business marketing, have faced a fast working environment, have a strong attention to detail and can work independently, and also have a strong analytical mindset and quantitative methods of communications and verbal skills and interpersonal skills. So it is basically a remote job, and all bachelor's and master degree means all graduate and postgraduate can apply for that. Thanks for watching this video.